Converting files from one format to another in Windows is often not a straightforward process. As a result, we frequently find ourselves visiting questionable websites that offer this service, potentially exposing ourselves to the risk of viruses and malware. File Converter is a free and open source program that allows you to convert audio and video formats, images and documents. You can download the program from the official website or from the GitHub. Links will be provided in the video description. After downloading and installing the program, when you right-click on the file you want to convert, you will see a new option called File Converter. When you hover your cursor over this option, the program will display all available conversion options for the selected format. For example, in this case, I selected JPG format, and as you can see, I will receive several options including PDF, GIF, PNG and more. All you need to do is choose your desired format and click on it. The program will automatically launch and begin the conversion process. The converted file will be located in the same folder as the original file. In addition to converting images, the program also offers the ability to convert audio and video files. For instance, I can convert a video in MP4 format to MP3 audio format, or alternatively convert it into another video format such as MKV. The program also allows you to adjust the settings for each format, meaning you can change default settings like image quality, audio quality, video quality, and more. You can do this by right-clicking on the desired file, again, select File Converter, and then you will see the option Configure Presets in the end of the drop-down menu. Choose the format you wish to modify, make your desired changes, and then click Save. Although the program performs well for converting audio and video files, the conversion of text files is not up to par and often presents issues. When I try to convert a PDF file to PNG, the program simply crashes. Additionally, if I attempt to convert a Word document to PDF, I receive a notification that Microsoft Office must be installed for this process to succeed. Despite the limitations regarding document conversion, File Converter is a practical solution for converting a wide range of formats. If you frequently need to convert various audio, video formats and images for work or personal use, this program is definitely worth trying. Moreover, since the program is free and open source, you have nothing to lose, only potential benefits to gain. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.